Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see all files downloaded on Google Chrome. So how do you check that? Once you're on Google Chrome, just simply click the three dots on the upper right hand side. You will find download. You can also use the shortcut that says Ctrl+J, and it's going to quickly open up those for you. And here you'll be able to find all of those files downloaded. You will see file if they exist still, or if they have deleted, you will be able to notify them because it will have a strike through and it will say the word deleted, right? And so you are able to find them based on the days or the dates that you actually download the file. This is super easy to see in case you download the file and you're not able to find it. And so you can just kind of browse through the dates to see what you can to find what you are looking for, right? You can also search it as well to see if you have a particular file name. You can search it at the top and you'll be able to quickly search your history, and it will just take you to this section here. I'm going to give you a typical example. Let me just see if I can find something that I haven't deleted just yet that is still exists. No, I don't have anything, but I can use, for example, the first example because it still exists. So let me just copy this. So let's say I was looking for this file here, right? I can just simply go ahead and type it in the search, and you will see that it filters it. You don't even have to type the full word. You can just simply type a few numbers or something from this entire file, and it will still go ahead and find. Let me show you. See, it actually finds it. So you can easily use this searcher to search for files that you have downloaded in the past. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.